down to 30. Second gear, floor it. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In all honesty, I hadn't actually thought that I was going to make a video this week with the bank holiday weekend and get out with my family under the new slightly relaxed lockdown rules. But I hadn't driven the XK8 in a little while, so I thought I'd give it a run. So today then, the agenda, I've just kind of got onto the M25 and now heading down the A3. I thought it might be quite fun to head through the Hindhead Tunnel. So this is a famous sort of spot for testing out how loud your exhaust is. But coming back from Hindhead, back to where I live, it's all cross country, so hopefully be able to get a few nice driving roads through the British countryside and see if I can get my drone out as well if it's not too windy or not permitted. We'll see how we get on. Okay, so we're approaching the tunnel now, and I've rarely actually been on the A3 past Guildford going south too far actually, because we normally cut across onto the A31 to go wherever we're going. But it's actually quite a nice drive. Maybe it's just the weather today is pretty good, so it seems more picturesque, but it's not a straight road, it kind of winds its way along, and it's quite enjoyable actually. Maybe it's because it's quite early in the morning, the traffic situation's fairly decent as well, so just not crowding on the road. I've been on the A3 plenty of times through Guildford, kind of with busy traffic, and it's not quite as enjoyable. But yeah, tunnel coming up soon hopefully. Okay, so we're getting a bit closer now. Not sure what the speed restriction is inside, but we should definitely drop a gear, I think. Get the window down a little bit. Well, third gear, let's give it a go. Might even be able to drop it to second actually. Slow right now. That was pretty good. I'll have to do that again. Right, down to 30. Second gear, floor it. Right, last time, 30 miles an hour. That was awesome. There we go, just out the tunnel now. Wow. That didn't disappoint. Oh god. That was excellent. I don't know what to say about that. Oh, I have to do it again. Maybe another day. Problem is, in tunnels it's not really a place to mess around because they're normally so tightly controlled in terms of speed and security and things like that, so kind of going between 30 and 60 I don't think it's too much of an issue, but yeah, you can't really get out of second if you want it to sound like that, because otherwise you'll be doing illegal speeds. Right, so next thing to do is to try and head back over to where I live and go a bit cross country, hopefully. So driving this car during lockdown, I think we're allowed to sort of get out in our cars now as long as we don't go near people. It's kind of got me thinking a bit actually about this whole situation, and for some of us, being able to stay at home and do sort of small jobs in our cars has been a bit of a revelation really. So kind of doing the things that you wouldn't normally have got around to doing. So for example, my MGB servicing stuff, I haven't finished that yet. It's still an ongoing sort of side project I try and do when I get a spare moment, which are seldom. But stuff like that, and then in the XK8 I know I still need to do my headlining material there, and the small things as well. So the aerial on the back was sort of sticking going up and down, so just taking the time to get some lubricating oil and go up and down that a little bit, so that works a bit more freely now. And I know a lot of people have been wondering when I was going to get round to doing the bolts on my steering wheel on my MGB, and that's something I was going to do a bit later on today, so I might put up some pictures of that if I got round to doing it. But of course the other danger as well is being home and being bored, and I think that's partly to blame for my Lotus purchase, sort of sitting at home with nothing else to do except browse the internet for cars that need saving. I probably wouldn't have bought that if this whole thing hadn't happened with the coronavirus and being stuck at home. So I really hope it opens up a new sort of exciting chapter for my car hobby, but I also kind of dread what it's going to cost me in terms of finance and time over the next couple of years. But anyway, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Sorry it was a short one. I hadn't planned to make one this week, but hopefully you've been able to have a little look at my car driving along and enjoy going through the Hindhead Tunnel. And I'll be back again soon with some more car related stuff very shortly. So thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.